Fact families are kind of fun. I wish we had like the fact triangles like we do in the classroom, but
my mom has fact triangles. You can use one of them.
Okay.
awesome. Yeah. I mean, if you've got fact triangles at home, definitely do them because your homework is going to be some fact families. So the fact family really just, we talked about last week with finding the missing addend, how we can take that addition sentence and turn it into a subtraction sentence to figure out what the missing addend is. And we know that addition and subtraction is related. So that's what the fact family shows. It's like, it's all one big family. Addition, subtraction, yay! All right, there's your cheese. Daisha, are you there? Brooklyn, don't go away. Okay, I just want to make sure. It's hard when I can't see you. Okay, so let's get to writing on this thing. All right, so let's say we've got the numbers 9, 3, and 6. All of these numbers are related, and we can write 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences using these numbers. So I'll do the first one for us. So we say 3 plus 6 equals what? Three plus 6 equals what? Andre?
9.
9. Who can tell me another addition sentence I can write using these numbers? Brooklyn?
6 plus 3
Equals?
9.
Yes. Ta-da! Who can give me a subtraction sentence using these numbers? Andre?
9. 3.
So 9 minus 3 equals?
Equals 6.
Yes. Awesome. And one more subtraction sentence. Do Elijah or Daisha want to try? Where'd Elijah go?
Yeah, I was gonna say, that's grandma who can sign it. Well, dude, we'll put a spelling words on there. What's that?
Elijah, do you want to try the other subtraction sentence? So we start with the biggest number. When we subtract, we've got 9 minus what?
3.
We already did 9 minus 3.
6.
9 minus 6 equals
9.
equals 3, right? So there we go. There's our fact family. Ta-da!
Okay.
So that's all we're doing. You'll have the numbers. Let's say we got 12. Now what if we have this? 12, 6, and 6. What's an addition sentence I can make? Andre?
6 plus 6
Equals?
equals 12.
6 plus 6 equals 12. Now, because they are the same amount, the addends are the same amount, do I need to write it again? Because I mean, if
No.
I reverse it, it's still going to be 6 plus 6.
Right.
So I don't have to write another addition sentence. What's my subtraction sentence? Brooklyn, you want to give it a try? How would we write this 12, 6, and 6 with a subtraction sentence?
-12 -6 equals 6.
Yes. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Do we need to write another subtraction sentence? No, because if we reverse these, it's the same thing. 12 minus 6 equals 6. So in this case, there's only 2 number sentences since our add-ins are the same. I just wanted to show you that. Okay. So here they give you an example. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 3 plus 9 equals 12. 12 minus 3 12 minus 9 equals 3, and 12 minus 3 equals 9. What is our answer to 9 plus 7? We can look up in our fact triangle and we see it. No thinking required. What is it? Elijah, what's 9 plus 7?
$16.
Yep. Now I saw you like thinking about it, which cool, but you didn't even have to think about it. If you look here in the fact triangle, there it is, right? And 7 plus 9 is 16. And what's 16 minus 9, Andre? $16 minus 9, you're muted.
Oh, you said
What's 16 minus 9?
7. Not 7.
Yep. And then 16 minus 7 is 9.
Audrey said.
All right, so how about I put you guys in breakout rooms. I'm going to type here in the chat. Your next one, your numbers are 8, 9, and 17. So, Daisha, are you there? Can you be with Brooklyn?
I'm here.
All right, I'm going to put you with Brooklyn, and you two are going to come up with 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences for 8, 9, and 17. It's in the chat, in case you forget. And then Elijah and Andre, I'm going to put you 2 together. You guys have your paper and pencil?
Hold up a minute. I gotta just get my pencil. Pencil's broken. Jeez.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Okay.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
This girl just punched me, y'all.
All right.
The girl just punched me. Bro, this girl, okay, I'm showing everything on camera. This girl is crazy. This girl.
There we go. All right. Okay, guys, here you go. Click your button so you can, there you go. All right. Yay, Daisha. All right, you there, Andre? All right, you guys come up with your 4 sentences? 2 addition, 2 subtraction? No! Was there just not enough time?
Not me.
No, well, Elijah did. Didn't you work with Elijah?
Yeah.
We didn't get a lot of time.
Oh, I'm sorry. I gave you 2 minutes. Okay, well, let's do it together. So everybody, 9 plus 8 equals.
I'm writing it down.
Good, Brooklyn. 9 plus 8 is
17.
There we go. What is the other addition sentence? We have 9 plus 8, so now we need to. What's the other one? Andre?
How about 8? SAT at the equal sign.
Oh, I know. It'll change once I write in the number. So 8 plus
9
equals
equals 17.
17. You got it. And then they started the first subtraction sentence for us. 17 minus 9 equals 8. And what's our other subtraction sentence? Daisha? Come on, Daisha. If you can see Brooklyn's paper, she's got it written down there. Nice, Brooklyn. So we start with the biggest number. We always take away from. So 17 minus what? Help us out, Brooklyn.
You can put 9.
So we already have 17 minus 9. What's the other one?
8.
8. 17 minus 8 equals
8.
9.
Hey.
There we go. All right. I think let's get past this. So this is the same concept. You're writing your 2 addition sentences, 2 subtraction sentences. So if your 3 numbers are 14, 8, and 6, 8 plus 6 equals 14. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 14 minus 6 equals 8. Just flipping the numbers. All your numbers are there. So your homework's going to be a few fact families. And then the other thing we're going to talk about today is 2-step word problems. Yay, word problems.
Word problems.
Yes, word problems. So 2-step word problems means you have to figure something out to then figure out the final answer. You have to do one step and then another step to figure out the answer, rather than just an example of a 1-step word problem would be like, Andre's got 3 apples. Daisha gives him 4 more. How many apples does Andre have? Andre has 7 apples. But a 2-step word problem would be, Andre has 2 apples. Daisha gives him 4 more. And then Andre cuts up 5 of the apples for snack. How many apples does Andre have left? Do we see how that's? We added another step. It wasn't just the adding together. So 2 plus 4 is 6. But if you then share 5 of the apples with the class, Andre has 1 apple at the end. So that's 2 steps. All right. So some word problems take 2 steps to solve. Eyes up here, following along with me. I will repeat that sentence again, the one in bold. Some word problems take 2 steps to solve. Tim's class was having a pizza party. Tim brought 3 pizzas. Jenny brought 2 pizzas. The class ate 4 pizzas. How many pizzas do they have left?
Oh.
So It's not going to let me write over it, but you can see it. Our first step is 3 plus 2 pizzas is 5. And then we take that. Our next step is the class had 4, so we subtract 4 from 5, and there's 1 pizza. So number 1. You guys can still see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Marla bought 3 books on Monday and 5 books on Wednesday. So before we go further, what is our first step? What is our problem? Marla bought 3 books on Monday and 5 books on Wednesday. What are we doing? What's step 1? They give us a clue here. We have this plus. What are we adding? Andre?
Adding.
Mm-hmm. We've got what plus what? Marla bought 3 books on Monday and 5 books on Wednesday.
3 books.
So we have 3 plus 5. What does that equal?
I don't know for sure, but I'll do it on my hands.
Do it on your hands. It's fine.
Eight.
8. So that 8, that's going to start off our next problem. So she returned 4 books today. How many books does Marla have now? So she returned, that means we're taking away those 4 books from the 8 that she had total. So our second step is 8 minus 4, which equals Daisha? Did you have your hand? Was that a hand? No. What's 8 minus 4? Anybody? I feel like that teacher in Ferris Bueller's. Anyone?
It's okay.
Brooklyn, what's 8 minus 4? How do we figure out 8 minus 4 if we don't know it? You can draw a picture and take away.
Is it 4?
It is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So she has 4 books. So number 2, Carla collected 6 leaves, but she lost 3 of them. So our first sentence, she has 6 leaves, but she lost 3. That means we're taking away 3. So 6 minus 3 equals
3.
Hold on just a sec, Selena's calling. Hey Selena, I'm in a lesson. Do you want to know when your next lesson is? You are at 10:50. Or wait. No. Selena, where are you? You are at 10:15. Okay, I'll see you then. Okay, sorry guys. So 6 minus 3 is what? It is 3. So then it says she has 9 leaves at home. So she's now got 3 leaves. She has 9 at home. So our second step is we're adding. So we're subtracting first and then adding. So 3 plus 9 equals, Anybody know what 3 plus 9 is?
You shouldn't have to touch your keyboard. So, yeah. Don't
3 plus 9.
or let me ask you
9 plus 3.
with your
If it's easier to add 9 plus 3, sometimes that's easier for me, is to take the bigger number and count up, right? So 9, 10, 11, 12. So now she has 12 leaves.
change it up a bit for you.
Does anybody want to try to explain how we solve a two-step word problem? What do we need to do? So we have to really read it, right? And look for those clues. Figure out in the words if we're gonna, our first step is we're adding or subtracting, because it's not always the same. Number 1, we added first and then we subtracted. And number 2, we subtracted first and then we added. So we have to pay attention to the wording. If it's saying things like she lost or they gave away, then we know we're subtracting, we're taking away. So, yep. Okay. So this one gives you the clue you're subtracting first and then you're adding. I'm going to write it in the chat. I'm going to put you back in your group and give you 2 minutes. Okay. So it says Candace has 6 pencils. She gives 2 away. Then she gets 2 pencils out of her bag. How many pencils does she have now? So everybody can see that in the chat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what you're gonna solve with your partner. You have 2 steps. You got your paper. Elijah, you ready? Andre, you ready? And I'm gonna put you back in your breakout rooms. Ready, set,
Go.
go. Hey, Andre, you need help?
Yeah, I forgot what the problem was.
Can you see it in the chat? So it says Candace has 6 pencils. She gives 2 away. Then she gets 2 pencils out of her bag. How many does she have now?
4.
So I clicked the chat with the
You can't see it?
CHAT with the word bubble with dots. I clicked that. I couldn't see it.
Okay. Well, time's up and breakout. We'll just come back and talk about it, okay?
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Oh my God. Get out of here with that one. Is that? Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, okay.
All right, everybody. So let me share. So sorry if you had trouble. Oops. No. Sorry if you had trouble seeing the problem in the chat, but so let's just go ahead and do it here now. So Candace has 6 pencils. She gives 2 away. What is our first step that we're going to do? What minus what equals what? Anybody figure it out? Brooklyn, did you? I think I see your head. So the first step, she has 6 pencils. She gives 2 away. So that means we're taking away 2. How many does she have left, Andre? You can show me with your fingers. 4. She's got 4 left. So that's going to be the start, because that's what she has now. Now she has 4 pencils. It doesn't say that in the problem because we just figured that out. So now she has 4 pencils. She gets 2 out of her bag, so we are adding 2. So how many pencils does she have now? 4 plus 2 is?
6.
6. Oh, look at that. We ended where we started. She started off with 6 pencils. She still has 6 pencils. She gave 2 away, but then she got 2 more. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, this one, last one, I want you to try this one on your own. 8 birds landed on a tree. Sometimes it helps to draw a picture. So that's also another strategy you can do. So we've got a tree. Okay. No. If it'll let me draw a tree, it wants to make an arrow, whatever. Fine. That's weird. Okay. And there are 8 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds. 5 of the birds flew to another tree. So what am I doing? Am I adding or subtracting? Everybody show me with your hands. Are we adding or subtracting? 8 birds landed on the tree. 5 of the birds flew away. What are we doing? Show me.
Miss Brenda,
Yes, Andre.
can I go potty real fast?
Okay, super fast. So 5 birds flew away. They're going away. We are subtracting. So I'm going to go ahead and take away those birds. I'm going to subtract them right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many birds now are in the tree? 3 birds in the tree. Then it says, then 2 more fly away. All right, well, 2 more fly away. That means we're subtracting 2 more. 1, 2. How many birds are left? Just 1 bird. That's right, Daisha. Just 1 bird in the tree. Ta-da. So that problem, we subtracted twice. All right. How do we feel about 2-step word problems? I know we're being quiet. Do you guys feel okay about them? You want to give them a try?
I will try.
Nice. All right. So your homework, I'll put it up here in just a little bit. It will be, remember, fact families, doing some fact families, and then some 2-step word problems. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Cool beans, cool beans. All right. Well, that's all I got for you today. I'll put it up in the Google Classroom as soon as I can, all right?
Okay.
Make sure you're practicing your spelling work.
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. Hearts.